Welcome back to our channel, and you are looking at these beautiful colors which I have made using natural ingredients from the backyard garden. So today we're going to learn how to prepare these colors at home. For this we are looking at butterfly pea flower petals. Wash the butterfly pea flowers and pound them using a mortar and a pestle. Add a little bit of water and you can extract the juice. And the next ingredient is false daisy leaves to make green color. The same process, wash the leaves, pound the leaves so that it becomes a fine paste, add a little bit of water, and you can extract the green color. And the third ingredient is turmeric, the root, and pound them to pound all the pieces of root and add a little bit of water and you can extract the color. And the fourth ingredient is Malabar spinach seeds. These seeds naturally have a little bit of water, so when you're adding water to it, add very less amount of water. See the consistency. Once it becomes fine paste, add the water and you can extract this beautiful magenta pink. Finally, here are our beautiful colors that are ready to be used. These colors are totally organic, free from nature, and also totally chemical free. These colors are very helpful when you are working with the little children, and also these colors can be used for dyeing a fabric or dyeing paper towels, and also for painting. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.